Мавровскиот рис и охридската пастрмка се ендемски видови во Македонија, чие ловење е строго забрането со закон. Во скоро време во нашата држава е забележан уште еден ваков заштитен вид. Да видиме за што се работи.
This is the Macedonian political landscape. It nurtures a plethora of rare species. This is the government tent, and it recently took its fence off. Here lurks one of the best preserved rare species in Macedonia. It may appear hostile to other animal life, but the dewy politician is quite tender and easily hurt by criticism. It thrives in its natural habitat, the government, but does not do so well behind bars. Thankfully, Macedonian authorities are aware of this, so whenever they break the law, they are given legal immunity.